This video is designed to show the Gnosis iForm option list connector. In this scenario, what we're going to do is take data from an iForm Builder form that's been submitted or from a Gnosis bucket, and it's going to actually add options to the option list as new data is added to a bucket. So what we're going to first do is let's build a new data flow for this, and we're going to call this Gnosis API option list. And I'm going to add a new record set and call this Gnosis options. And we're going to save that. Now at this point, what we're going to do is choose an action. So when data is uploaded into this bucket, it's actually going to perform an iForm option list action. Now at this point, we're going to give this a name. So I'm going to say write to registrant list. And we want to first choose a connection. So I'm going to choose a connection I had in the past that connects me to my branded server. And then what type of option am I going to do? Am I going to create an option, or am I going to create or update if the option exists? So we're just going to create new options every time because it's going to be a unique list of names. So here's our option list in iForm Builder. It has one name in it, and what we're going to do is we're going to continually add names to this list as new records are submitted. So the profile ID we choose is going to be from iForm Builder, so that's going to be profile ID 1. And it's actually going to load a list of all options that you have. So I'm going to just choose this option list. And then what we're going to do now is we're going to choose what is going to be the key value, what is going to be the label, where it's going to be existing in the list, sort order, condition value, as well as a score if needed. So in this scenario, we're just going to do the key value and the label, as well as the sort order. So the data I'm going to upload is going to be similar to the data you see right here. It's going to have a name, a date of birth, an address, and a few other details. So what we're going to do is make the key value the following. We're going to do o.name to specify the key value. And in this scenario, I'm just going to trim this data by using, just to remove all the spaces, just by using .trim function. And then the label is actually just going to be o.name. And the sort order, we're going to have it as 1, or actually 0. So it's always going to add the newest options to the top of this list. At which point we can save this data. So now we're going to see the action has been completed. And what we're going to now do is go in and upload our sample data and see if this is working. So let's go into JSON upload. I'm going to choose my file and I'm going to hit add, at which point it's going to write directly to the iForm Builder option list. So let's go into here and we're going to open up our option list manager. We're going to see it added John Smith right to the top of the list here. Again, I'm going to go in and just change this data to be Joe Schmo. And if we look in advanced here, it's actually going to see it worked for John Smith as the label as well as the key value. So let's save our sample data. And we're going to go into Gnosis and upload one more entry. Just so we can see this. So I'll choose my sample data, hit open, and add this option. And if I do a quick reload of it, we're going to see it added Joe Schmo to the top of the list. So again, this is how you can take data submitted into Gnosis buckets and write directly into an option list. Thanks for watching.